if you are running Google Ads for the first time, or if you have been running around before but still stuck to a main region where you can't see your own ad when you are trying to search the similar query on which you are targeting on Google Ads and you can't see your own ad, so don't be panicked whenever there is a situation when you can't see your own ad. You may be surprised, oh, why I can't see my own ad. So don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. It happens because there is a Google algorithm. Okay, what happens is that most likely whenever the client sees their ad on a specific query, they do not click on their ad because the client knows that whenever you are going to click on your own ad, you will be charged and you will never click on your own ad. So Google will think that the user do not like this ad. So eventually on multiple searches, Google will stop showing you your own ad because Google has designed its own algorithm which helps you to show only relevant ads. But because you are not clicking on your ad, it means that Google thinks that you do not like this ad. However, interestingly, you do like this ad and you want it to be shown because you own the ad. But this doesn't mean that your ad will be shown. But because you are not clicking on your ad will not be shown, and you will be like, oh, why my ad is not showing? So don't worry, do not worry. There is a few of the ways through which you can determine if your ad is running or not. The first and foremost tool is your Google Ads Preview and Diagnosis tool. So you may see over here as well. Go to your Google Ads account and you may see over here Ad Preview and Diagnosis tool. You can simply open this one as well, and you may land over here. So what you have to do is you have to set your location, language and device and see if your ad is showing or not. So you can write over here as well to see if your ad is showing or not. So this is an interesting way to see. So but this is only one way. There is another way, and the other way is you may see over here that you can see over here that you can see your status over here. Now let me open a running account. Now this has everything being posted, so let me open an account which has everything running, then I'm going to show you. So now I'm here another account. So what you have to do is to go into your keywords, audience, keywords and content. In keywords, you may see over here that these ads are eligible, and you may see the ad status over here as well. Now there is an interesting thing as well, that it doesn't mean that your ad is showing and you may be surprised that you are not getting clicks. So what you have to do is to see your ad status, and you may see over here that the keyword is eligible to run ads, however the ad isn't showing right now. This could be another reason your ad your ad is not showing, because you may have less quality score, or your see over here that this ad is not showing because of a negative keyword. There is a issue over here. So this has a very below the average quality score, which is why the ad is not showing over here. So you may see the data over here regarding these on why if your ad is not showing over here. So you can see over here as well. So now this can also tell you that where the ad is showing or not. Now I will open another campaign. Sorry, I cannot do it open, so I will open directly. So then you can see the ads are running. I will show you those as well. So now for instance over here, if I look on this keyword and if I look around over here, I may see over here that my ad is running right now. So I can see around as well. Now there could be different reasons why your ad is not running. Sometimes your budget is too low, sometimes your CPC is too low, sometimes your quality score is affected, sometimes your CTR is affected, sometimes your ad relevancy is above. So optimizing your campaigns and optimizing your structure plus focusing on your CTR click-through rate means a lot to get the most out of your Google campaigns. I'm just telling you, you may see around over here that if your ad is showing or not. You may see over here that the ad was showing over here, the ad is showing over here. So you may see, you can figure it out right now. You can also try through the ad preview tool I show you to see if your ad is running or not. So I hope you like the theory of why you can't see your own ad on your Google Ads. You do not need to worry about. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup or management services, you can hire me and my team. Link in the description. Just to let you know that my name is Ali Raza and I'm an owner of a Google partner company, and we help clients with Google Ads, Bing Ads, Meta Ads, advertising solutions. We also help clients with local SEO, web development, Google Merchant Center, Shopify, website development. So a lot of things you can hire us through the link in the description to work around, and I look forward to working with you. In case if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.